Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your tablet has a cellular plan and enough data. This matters because tethering uses your carrier quota. Once confirmed, open Settings and go to Personal or Mobile Hotspot. Toggle it on immediately to start broadcasting. You'll see an SSID and default password. Change that to a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase so strangers can't join. Do this first so connected devices can find a secure network and avoid accidental data overages. Now configure the hotspot for performance and security. Change the SSID to something simple so you can spot it, but avoid using your name. This reduces social exposure. Next, pick the radio band. Use 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz if you need faster speeds for 1 or 2 devices. Make sure to limit the number of allowed connections and set an auto shutoff timer. This prevents background devices from using your data and saves battery on the tablet. To finish, connect your other device. Choose the tablet SSID, type the password, and confirm internet loads. Sometimes a captive portal needs extra accept steps. Once connected, monitor data usage and tablet battery, plug in for long sessions, or enable power-saving modes. If things fail, try simple fixes. Toggle the hotspot off and on, restart the tablet, switch the AP band between 4 and 5 GHz, or forget and rejoin the network. If the carrier blocks tethering, contact support to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.